introduction.
Hello, thank you for taking the time to review our project. This presentation is a retrospective of StudySync, an app developed by Team Accelerate, consisting of Emmanuel Afo, Chinwedu Vivian Olisaiki, and Uchechukwu Vivian Mba. I will walk you through how the product evolved across multiple Agile sprints, what went well, what we learned, and how Agile project management shaped the outcome. StudySync was designed to solve a real student problem, which is staying focused, consistent, and organized while studying. The product's goal was to help students reduce distractions, track progress across devices, and build sustainable study habits in a simple and motivating way. In Sprint 1, we focused on establishing the foundation of the app using low-fidelity wireframes. We designed the login page, dashboard, and device sync concepts. The key outcome of this sprint was clarity. We created a basic skeleton of the app that guided all future development. During Sprint 2, we introduced motivational and tracking features. These included gamification badges, a Pomodoro timer, and a bend-down chart. This sprint significantly increased user engagement by helping students stay motivated and visualize their progress. Sprint 3 focused on habits and collaboration. We added habit reminders, study partner invitation, and analytic dashboard. The key outcome here was helping users build consistent routines and collaborate effectively with others. In Sprint 4, the project transitioned into high-fidelity mockups. We polished the user interface and added advanced features such as offline mode, voice notes, and exporting study reports as PDFs. At this point, the prototype began to look and feel like a real application. The final sprint focused on interaction. We created a clickable prototype with features like focus mode with distraction blocking, parental progress sharing, and an AI-generated study plan. This sprint produced a fully interactive prototype that a user could navigate intuitively. And you can see the slide, there's a link to a clickable prototype. Multiple screens are connected, allowing users to move through the app just as they would in a real product. This prototype helped us This prototype helped us validate usability and overall flow before coding would begin. One thing that worked well especially was our use of incremental sprints. Each sprint delivered a working improvement, which kept the workload manageable and reduced risk. Clear communication and regular feedback helped the prototype evolve smoothly from rough sketch into a polished interactive product. One area for improvement was backlog scope control. There were issues of too many backlog items in some sprints, which increased workload and risk delays. In future projects, we would enforce stronger scope boundaries during sprint planning, and limit backlog additions within a sprint. A key Agile principle we applied was responding to change over following a rigid plan. Features evolved based on feedbacks, adjustments were made each sprint, and user value was prioritized over sticking to initial assumptions. This flexibility directly improved the quality of the final prototype. Through constant iteration, StudySync grew into a focused and practical solution for students. Agile project management allowed us to adapt quickly, test ideas early, and learn continuously. Thank you for reviewing our prototype and our Agile journey.